Hey guys, this is Maji from Maji Toots. Just a quick tutorial on how you can increase the audio levels inside of Premiere Pro. Let's say you have a clip inside of your timeline like this one here. Let's just quickly have a listen to that. So this clip is actually not very loud at the moment, and let's say we would like to increase the volume of that clip. There are several ways to do that. The first way, and probably the best way to do that, is simply using the audio clip mixer. You can see the audio clip mixer here. If you don't have that window, you can simply go to Window, Audio Clip Mixer, and it will appear. So now, in that case now, if we would like to increase the volume of that audio clip here, audio track 2, you can simply use that fader here and increase the level. It was at about minus 13 decibel, so I can put this up to minus 4 decibel for instance. Now if we listen to the clip again, it should be much louder. We can increase that further to 2 decibel, for example. And now our clip is very loud, and here on the right side we have the audio meter, and you can see that the audio is still not clipping because here it's not even in the red zone. So it's still all good. So that is the first way how you can change the level of your audio by using the audio clip mixer. As the name says, the audio clip mixer is there to mix individual clips. But let's say you would like to change the volume for a whole track. So for all the clips that are on the same track, you can also do that. In my case here, those two files are both on audio track 2. So with the audio clip mixer, I can change the volume for all these clips separately. But what if I would like to change the volume of the whole track? In that case, I would have to make sure that window here, audio track mixer, that I have that enabled. And you will see now here that we have the audio track mixer here on the left side. And here, just as before, I can use that fader here for audio 2, and the changes that I will apply here will actually apply for the whole audio track. So now when I play that, the whole audio track will play at about minus 7 decibel. Not gonna play the whole audio, but I'm just gonna forward to that track here. Here you can see it's still at minus 7 decibel as well. So whenever you want to change the volume for a whole track, you would use the audio track mixer instead. But now let's assume that your audio is just simply not loud enough, even when choosing here, let's say plus 4 decibel. But you would like to have it much louder because maybe the recording was extremely not loud and you would just like to have more volume. Then what you can do is you can actually select one of your audio clips, the one you would like to increase the volume for, and you can go to audio gain. And there you will be able to adjust the gain. So there you could choose another 6 decibel, for example, and the whole volume of your clip is gonna increase by that rate. So like this you will be able to even further make your audio louder. If you do have Adobe Audition, maybe in your Creative Cloud subscription, another thing you can do is you can simply right click an audio clip and you can go to Edit Clip in Adobe Audition, And there as well you have several options to increase the loudness of your clip. The easiest one is you can simply double click the clip, and here you can just maybe say like 5 decibels more, and you will see that your clip is gonna be much louder than before. So there you have it, many different ways to increase the loudness, the volume of your clips. I hope this tutorial was useful for you guys. If it was, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Talk to you soon in another video. Have a great day. Bye guys.